So I say hi Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So yeah, that's what Jibresa also Oshebi. We April Bosemeno Anna Yesimi and no other ye fiaman kwa tamaklo. Then I would that once again a belated one happy birthday a fiaman kwa tamaklo. Well, my main car is the month of April, so beautiful a month. Because Christopher also Bosumi any and came forward and a day number 12. Yes. Tika kraka kramoso omoko. Last 10 days in the a ritual I did against any omoko pepe. Inti edia holding in the last 10 days. No. Then we will finish up with them. It's good. The last 10 days you're heated. We're always a part of the last 10 days. We wish our Muslim brothers and sisters, as well as they pray. Say, and your business or Ghana, we are saying, or must it them business. Now, they want to be a dawa kama dear man. Well, my member workers here, these are the people they be at America. When they come into the frontline discussion, there's reasonable sanity. Because what demonstrates over time, he's among the few members of Parliament. One every among same, but you can still feel that the quest for Ghana to be prosperous and so decency, maturity, Ghana first, and so many other matters are positive. And Odidijuma. Osum Ghana in some other capacities apart from a member of Parliament. And he continues to love his party, the NDC. And he also says it as it is. In Parliament, not a chairman will cool be brimo. And they but come home. Na over you only pakro. Come on na inema alaji sorogo. Akwaba ne fisha. Alaji. Akwaba.
Minia. Where the man want fisha pa.
Fisha.
To say you can share achakakra.
Yes. But be able to call. Life outside Parliament.
Excellent in terms of freedom, but of course challenging because even though you're out of Parliament, still udi uchre Parliament yani amani nyina ne bi ekoyi who insider yana uhuni different but all babontina usha ebianka me ho anka me ni sa na me ni say na Ghana Brabon so unfortunately yenye free Parliament enkoyi nti enema bi oho ayana wo akira na wo hye say ana say na some of our members of Parliament are omunye any Parliament bi omu ebi nso so enkoyi ma omo nti wo no omu hia menua yana ayro kakra.
What normally accounts for that? Because last 2 weeks a member of Parliament, sitting member of Parliament, me didn't come on say the colleagues ni bi abanaho na ohwe omotibia and their request na is like Usrukraman as a member of Parliament for the future, because the concentration on a constituents any Ghana and Humano, if you are not careful, a bit overshadow one kasa we no ma as it's name because all the time. Oh, press of conscience be the usika, wadaje, unyansa, unim dear, everything you're giving it out to them. But you're unappreciative. What happens?
Well, first and foremost, expectations, so share nipa dodoa omunyina eba so mobile be you say koho na represent omo. Now share the various problems. Obia wo different type of problem. No obia also expect to say
we'll have a solve
and also solve. And this all ko share any humanly possible and the environment and Ghana and Kasa because the same kitty and yen na omuni omo peno on san kam ma omo a lot of frustration seba pressures no from omo and once of family members and so omo feel say omo na bo ho ka hwe wa this is the time wa ba be MP also omo so enyamfa so every was so because and near toso me inside planning, especially say we are MP mono na waba first time no. Na o plan so opesa osako. Na banksi abana loans. Wa when you sa wan hwe na odon sa bom ne ombe ya ne se fa o S gracia esia wo wa nti se wo di sia wo wa na wo sensan krata no ma wo de sika no be ma wo ti se wo kɔ primaries na wo lusu a asa first timers no lusu asa ontimi nko bio wo de ka nti no bibre kura had to sell their cars vehicles at the mamo bibre ena bi kura petrol kura no edin efie edin I mean wow mo sabe ansa na obi kan na se mo se ansa na nsuo beto no na adwaye afọ some of us there e bia baby free nti no na ya prepared that na nyame so ncha de yetimi call 1 2 3 4 3 yeah 12 years nti but before then I cry baby and it was okay. In fact, I had to take a hard decision and now me party me do any or mine in tina me job baby and I'm because baby and I'm not a whole cry better but baby and conform me say warm na me per larger group no Ghana as a whole and I'm Medina me constituency as a founding member of the party in Medina me know more abobra 92 me contested 96 me contested 2000 me attempted 2004 number we near and 2016 me anim wa also now hobby otenya made there na na ko for the kachire Ghana for nti even though me people no permasai na so am kan ba ko a adaji why ye be ye po asem but obi so ba be my $1 million per year obeti factory my ye pacho
je say o man kwan
ma kwan nti it was understandable but we need to have a way you bet me and the worst of all no man can say so na ko free one now uba out a juma paying
o free machine be pay
o free hop as a member of parliament what juma paying where are you going to work one employer hey MP dada and I want to me and cut down into one more money brain you have to go down and also need a whole lot of frustrations about it. There should be a way out. There former association, former members of Parliament Association, are now Speaker of Parliament, Mpensenpensemu Boafanu just one because you making across board. But you go so or you know betimi because on also baba be former very soon. And you know, and also prepare send be ochinano e banisana. But all said and done, we need to plan, we need to and I so MPs ni bin so no ye promise ya dia intimi nye nti o kwa campaigner you must limit your promises to niam obetime because actually the main work of an MP minu nyina anim is to legislate and then also to check the government in terms of finances expenditure and then revenue outlays near kaka but so kobasa say road MP, hospital MP, NCO MP, obi yare MP, obi tie ne ya yakochi obi ko police station, yakobo obi
ko hospital.
Hospital ni dey crowd there. Na bia be bro opunu mu. Papa onye bia. Nti but all said and done, we need people to go to parliament and serve. So we'll still continue to sacrifice.
You think that we should also look at one term for no? Obi wan argument say or call one term the 9G for and na more party no kwan will be a contest no. We should look beyond 2 terms, then we allow somebody to be in.
Then you are becoming autocratic. We are in a democratic world. Can be mamin can be. Ebi anasa one time and okra no oko on adwuma way and so be any. So why do you want to keep him there? And number 2. So obi an contest one time and so ma. Obi contest a democracy and also who to America no nim so obi di wachia. Say unyina. Because who jina obecho. But when him say America ya me to obi ani machi obeto obo umre ukọ kakra no watwen but when him so obi tete wachi so wadwuma na anye yi a oba you would work hard and I know there so long we say your democracy na yes every 4 years obeto aba no the only thing oba ni say mia wani say wontimi nyempo a obekire say given the opportunity no obetimi aye anu ye be say ama kwan
but for instance a typical like will be your constituency, you are the godfather. There's this gentleman, minimum body na year, minimum say how follow within a year. Medina constituency, Prince Moses Zakaria.
Very well.
He has brought his. He keep bringing. Say, one. Nana say, "Let's say honor Susu no."
Susu.
Why do you want to contest Susu? No, no. But why can't I contest Susu?
Yeah.
That's why I'm bringing the first time. I na unja no ma enenko How do you feel as a father of the constituency? About him?
Abamanim several times. Abamanim. But seven predators and yen seminar na metimi akanwa. Near metimi akan say me obi contest me. Contest a health so long we say a health no. My create a level playing ground for those who qualify. So unqualify, now so could do vetting. And there were various stages. Now so sorry, I no acquire candidate. First and foremost, no, o party microphone kasa so mumpewa. I win yakwa mpo. Ansa no bi beba kasa me contest no. Now so we say, yeah, we chidi for. We mu piano say ko ye be di wachi. And the second say obia ni nechi a ono kura won boda so obeba. That's number one. Second level. So when you say be enya constitution of the party no, any Ghana constitution no, nyama bi di atototo. Enti who could do vet and hona ya baby sao. Ana no matri so onim so onya ni onim fa no huni nyina bonopo na fa koma vetting committee. No mo se Mpensenpensemu. Na wontimi ntena se on your own volution ka say me manen ko na bia anya ne sa a democracy obia so long as we party member no qualify no fee so betimi akono manenko and yes anke kasa so a kebeka say presidential stage no so kra no say JDM I was en koko mienu ana okọ baako ade na second one kenka so when ye masa konanka but I mean I healthy and Crawford 9 and a challenge and as I say back from and you know it's good omunyina go so a Kenyan constituency no a Kenyan branches no because will be a court no ordinary yiba intended the only thing I'm advising is that it must be healthy and this ADD one term because we're internal election here at the end of the day no whoever comes out would need the support of the other near nyinamra na bigger picture na day in 2024 no yako and to me there I don't see any problem omunyina they can go if one of them doesn't qualify at the vetting level no they will take it up and then do the needful.
If you look at the current parliament, you're worried, Kakra, how almost
I'm worried. But you see, we share the world now. The world is turning into the hands of the youth. But you see, youth don't see our categories. Because seven predecessors say we did 30 years and above, 30, 35, 40 years. Young Timinka Soya Koda. And your constitution is so nim. Anna what di ayina to say wouldn't fear say 18 and above of a sound minder ubetimi agina say wouldn't fear say ubetimi agina until say ye beba back na ya ba review your constitution no na ka say there be based on MPs na ba no ye share the contributions of some of the youth for entire into ye review say na be ya ebia age no ye de be come e be pagem nya age nko be education uko wonzo be ka che say me papa wan go school ba wonya nyansa e de me go school entimi nka say me papa ma be sene no that be wisdom is different from
intelligence
education and for that matter wontimi nka say obi an go school nso a anya say nka kua donko ante bravo but also be presented even though yenim say nkosi aga no constitution man kwan ama ni picture ba so man ko contest. So all what I can say is say make kakra say me share ye type no time and ye wo ho no na ye debates are ye and ni amaniama na twasini kakra but ye wo very experienced ones are wom me pai boni say ye be so mumu ye because oko Britain oko USA obi adi Congress ni House of Reps and Parliament 30 40 50 years enti wabeye a book in herself why institution eni pada sanino enti wakasa ne okanyina manfo fa e de yedwuma e makro no tumpon enti my prayer ne say going forward no attrition level say ye ba ne be bia um nyina akọ na nkwada na ba no yen hwe ne yie careful say ne be ya yen konko pia wo mo asabi wisdom e wo mu trim no because the chairman sabon so okọ o mabiom. Nobody can say, even though he's an MPP. I mean, what's Juman? He knows very well. Bagbin, where you speaker, on to me MPBum, or James Aveji, say, was one contestibium, and a whole lot of others, Omoko. I know Mukran so Moko primaries. There's no guarantee. So Mbewini, Obiabewin. Intino, we should find a way out. And we should encourage the women. Because seriously, I'm still not happy about
a ma
percentage. I'm not. Because seriously speaking, it's a ma does one near memoir. Minuya, a bois pa. Yankaso will take you over. But if you are talking and Emma are still occupying less than 20%, I mean,
over 275 parliament.
275. A man say,
man, baby, 40.
It's not the best. It's not the best. And you know, we should also, and a man also, they should be prepared to stand. Okay? There should be a law. That law no, may go somehow, some seats are very safe. But that law cannot come from parliament. That law can come from the party. MPP, because MPP. Seat way are very safe for us. A man kwan yepe so omko NDC you will sit be safe a man yepe so omko. We can do that, but you can't bring a national constitution and a law to say a man say and as say Adom and some people.
Daniel Nikwateta, it was Glover. When are you taking over office?
When your appointment, I mean congratulate you no.
Oh, when your appointment, when can't you
catch me the appointment. Baku. Oh, okay. But me pacho, mami emfa konya so na me we say Ramadan because that was my first point.
Sorry.
Once the first 10 days near friend Rahma. Second one here Makfira. This is the time where Boniface. Anybody and last one I know they heaven kwan here pie. I know na the electrical 10 days no once here na. Yeah, prayers ah. Yeah, one particular day bia se ba abeto now te ho bompire ni obeka nyina nyameje. Straight.
Wow.
Straight. And there. And the obi was nkramoni we say no onye yi na fe no obenye sika no say no. Was pending day tena se bompire ama electrical beto no. And number 2, regional vetting committee of the NDC starting a pamicho yankono boko enye internal fight. Until at the end of the day, we have a bigger fight ahead of us. Namin congratulating me, I mean, you go back with him say, Menso Mhoba Tommy Kaka. Because 77 prayer, yes, it's a Unia
such a man ranking.
I mean,
chairman,
deputy ranking.
Wow.
Was a jumper for
so you work with him
closely.
Yeah. Oh, Minina Yajuma. Yeah, two kwaya bibia. We are very close.
Na komna na menchia. Wow. For you.
Oh yes.
Na menchia senior.
Also from senior.
Also by.
Oh my goodness.
Once a senior in chamber, that is the respect we have in the chamber.
Yeah.
Regardless of the differences you na uka some say na den na nipa no oko first time na yem man kwama you'll be shocked because parliament made the 3 votes na call 7th of January 2013 yes swim office no na skirmishes ekoso e watema east as to how to unseat me. That was the agenda to make sure say you are clear you go with the 3 votes e dia ba. Most of the times your call party strategy meeting tema is they read. Now for a chassis did was here. We ye juma mo man wo parliament wo na man for so form wa yes form e dia ma. Na parliament de juma ne do bia kwamna media no so buka ho bi. You don't speak for members of parliament. You don't speak for us. Because we share the pressure and the incessant demand of the people on members of parliament. Eddie. What mean anti-crime now gauge, petrol gauge, net yellow, na yes. I swear to God. And yeah, easy. But nipa na obeja woni no any problem na ba no. Who can be a woman can the same na tias here. Because what lankusem. Lankusa is ebusia. Mutiaka every month. Now this is your tiny office, but you are talking na man. Or 2 fuel, see yourself open. Sikana ya mauna na utia driver, and now utia research assistant. Constituency for so eba wanazo every day. yemba mami fi was site 10 yebe come in private office e committee 4 yebo yebe ba ministry of transport and as yebe ba parliament office and they know where to get in some so and the juma no edri your colleague Tofiro nyami Nsani yare mfama ye. You see the price of skirt and blouse mimpe ko brenti because the glass is not shake kama no eye fence eye ni tie and you don't look at the symbol of the elephant or the umbrella because we are utenti me ko to aba no fentia no and that is the price that you pay because the margin is only one and so Mrs. Avoto na the BCB and this I'm told he was even coming from Okobompaye Oko breaking it fast and Obompaye because the Jumanas is the real business in the day no ankoso Edmas started also after 2-3 p.m. And normally you be see half na ye dey Juma no mo ye liba. Because ministers be too quiet be ni another there. You have to gather everybody. It has happened from regime to regime. That is what happens. So he was rushing to come and vote. And head-on collision. Nipa na ni say they say a deep cut here say. He was compelled to come and cast his ballot. And the MP adwuma no me dey can say yentu eboase me chairman te ha me kai say there was a time in fact he chaired a International Trade Commission bill yoko akosombo yoko disco ye bahiva making sure that dumping of imported goods yediba kromo an nyina it was under his chairmanship when Harry Ndrusi was a trade minister for trade and industry and with this so fantastic work me chairman te on you Okaza bro on you e bande juma ye ne juma ye kunkokra na ye juma no kakra that is how you build cohesion by in parliament what are we seeing the unnecessary suspicion among each other is becoming too many who thinks your man minister because of relation minister committee so now you say go twaba because party position say young call left. Relation space what parliament for 12 years and do so catch me say oni nia oni damfo e wo chiba ho. Na the party say young call left oni dey go right. And you know and na me who fifi letter not sure the bad say ye nya young call the say no ye ntiase. Because who fifi kwete in some u kaya ka say dey ka ukaba MPP ni ko fo hu say. Look at the vetting at the time seen at he took him over 3 hours vetting. Who vote here the plenary and the court swaba. There are over 4 members of the MPP side who divide near twaba dimao. But I like what he said. There's a need for us to build continuously, to build the consensus. Ghana the enya na Ghana. Maybe be far motorway. Obi ba obefa beach road. Yenya BP e studio ha. But how do you build this country together? And we share Omomo parliament, the suspicion Omomo parliament, you know, they should be careful. They need to be very and learn under the feet of the seniors. And yet brofukasa dabi. So for me, I wish to see Yomoko recess. Now they over resting kakra. They go and do surgery. In the course of parliament, Biana was so compensation so I could change in Yamuni in Idimao. O because I won't go and come. Also two.
But how do we take that thing off?
The monetization can never stop. It can never stop.
Serious issues.
It can never stop.
Say crowd and yeah, abaya part and parcel of our daily lives. And so you free one abaya abnormal. Abaya part and parcel. Be bia who person ye piano. What do you know expect to say the BB by mano? But I think maybe with time we'll be able to. Because Master, it cannot perpetuate. Entimin kosusa debia. Master, because yan sheni ye Ghana ya ba kope. Ye be wako. Ni chirima. Are we thinking about those who will come after us?
How do we fight corruption and corruptible acts? There be a example. My friend who was a minister 40,000 Ghana cedi as early as 6 a.m. and we invited me by 5 a.m. No person shade. 6 a.m. no open access. A lot of people me room no more.
More chance to me room.
Ti me room no because the hall no me shade. No ama security no abie the gate or mobi amra one after the other. And I'm ti obi. You pay na betnasia. Na you can me could jam over Johnny hospital. Yes, I bill 300. Now we have a light bill. It was 250. No, yeah. Now we have me fee cramity. He to me. No 300. So around by I think by 6:30, 7 o'clock, the 40,000 Ghana cedi was off.
It's a daily ritual.
A
daily ritual. Oh, but that's kind of why. You are asking him to go and steal.
He asked me, "Sikawe no, me feel so onye free. It is your bemo be contractor. No, so as ready pan say. Ja, ene hwe me kakra na me so mi
10%.
Na me so mi ti fa enko boa we. But this is not healthy.
It's not
so
healthy.
How are we fighting corruption? How do we end corruptible?
First and foremost, we need to have the political will. Both MPP and DCC, MPP also. Okay? It shouldn't just be talking. Because Adebako Amima who have me pass is say one party will power the other party, because I always take what Nana Akufo-Addo said. In fact, he came on the backs of fighting corruption. So Kaya.
Yes.
Seriously.
It was the biggest
biggest said to the point to say, baby, when you agree or the Sika on here
outside abayem
master or call your tomb for so kind your tomb for catch no was it baby wadri and now here Sika nyare. But let's see what happened. You see, right from the word go, so we appointee that's what ye be send na ye no kure na see probe na investigate na makwan mom investigate no and go see 3 times no interference men clear obia because unim say enya started top ho pe o na say akwase ho started to say na work minister masa maria taso minibi maba oh me are say ni say come here say oh sorry nyame boa twere telephone number to a me bibi ba me frɛw second one third one fourth one udimba say
o me mark what ho
and American udimba say but say wo peni ya wo bre
udi say na kwabna sante su die no nyamo e ba on the
exactly so me lose me seat let the second person come now when you the same thing no lose the seat third person asa obi ankono e say the MP for no mass sound ministers no mass okwa bibia no na fe ye juma aye community based a obi ahu nsua na obeboa na de aba wo de aba se kwan bi na nya school fees I know they are part and parcel of our daily lives umpo or mega church or common fund wow until right from the top me I was happy when Nana Akufo-Addo appointed the special prosecutor, but I got so disappointed.
Why I first right?
Yeah, very bad. To the point they say obi a wo trust na wa appointing no be jinaka say wo and na wo ye corruption ni primary so ni primary and na wo corruption ni ma I dream as to whether that is true or not should not come from somebody who appointing it to the highest level so I'm me fight keta hihye ni project to the point they say and a second way so by ajabe one so we say there's no commitment on the part of the government so by fighting project corruption. Wow, a banisana na signal na yesender. Men kasa it is only with MPP. Wow, but there has been so many occasions Nana could have used that one to stamp his authority. Papa, me se me mpe me nyini baby amadu no tumfo me kai no. But se wo adwene se oh na we me ya beka se me dinye anasa me ya busuafo say that is when na I say ye dua aduaba na wakofa fertilizer wo di guase wo di nsuo gu se na be ye benyini ayekese. That is where the problem is. We must be bold because look obia peska kwabna otiwe se me ba ofie na me kura $10,000 kwabna je obia but sama and as I say a chimney, na say $10,000 and your mommy $100,000. So that is where the problem has always been. We must be bold leaders, you know. And I think John in 2025 must do exactly that. Because me, I will say it. I just say I'm inviting me. Master, because here you know together, we are destroying Ghana. Baby, Ghana grew. Some problems in IMF. Then. Why do we even have to get to where we are?
Internally, Pay, Adi Amati or Asemidi Kakosisi program. Even the fight against Galamsey. Say, yeah, Galamsey.
Oh, yes, yeah.
Party paying for
now. Yeah. That's how I know there's Frimpom Guateaka. Where Uncle Yepi? But party. Now, when to me construct studio, no where the gold, show me what? $300,000. Show me gold. As I say, me gold. Master, now forestry, Minerals Commissioner about Kase or Yejuma or now, President, look at Kase, Yejuma, what have you done? Yejuma, keep quiet. Me, I want to ask the highest person, me, a man carry. Okay, more investigate. Says, I back clear. Say, Papa, no, Yejuma. What do we do? I must say, from Pombote, no, be a minister, or no about the barbecue, so no, Ninkro for sale. Jubilee House or Mom Yagalam no Mugo, no more said that woman ye canna no mu, send a bear quambe biamo, no maquacoye, now party penning for any Jubilee House and no mushim. President at committee said they should investigate. I heard it. We are waiting to see what will come. Because from what body so on, some of our Kenyan and correct. And we should all be together. But together. Yeah, fight it together. We can go somewhere, but it must come from the top. Be it NDC, be it MPP. For now, it is MPP. And especially based on what the MPP fought and came to power. Galamsey and what, water bodies and what. No. I think the onus is on this government. To try and mami.
Okay, maybe about President Aye New Clearing House.
Yeah.
Now consistently we trend this for Kasanibia. It is something that is running through from JDM all the way down.
The president's interferences in most of the cases.
But it's not true.
Are unfair?
Governor, that is not true because President on your investigator. Now say what be catch him say meet
a serious influence.
Please. One the betima catch him say President Asora catch him say we asimasi way you investigating German investigation.
What Roma? I know they say between
please come
any experience I'm always.
Please come on.
Oh, we have fun kaka.
Sina mpacho. So it is very wrong. Say end this for Bejinasim PSO accuse president say or you no clearing out. A typical example is the cash for seats. Say, look, there was a time I became president. Or say, Papa na ye can is any papa down for the on Akufa papa. That was their lawyer, family lawyer. So they have a long-standing relation way back.
Why yeah?
Lebanese known as them now they can.
Cash for seat.
No, Papa no. They have been way back friends. His father or no father, lawyer, and the papa. That is his brother. They visit each other. Meanwhile, they will refer to the police to be investigated. What kind of the early days of first term, no, Abu Jinapo, any accusation, A plus E or was it not referred to the police? It is not the president that will go and investigate himself of his own disappointees. And it's a investigation about. Now, investigation literally say, and yes, why do you describe him as a clearinghouse? And no, many endings for no, and ya drink or no. Matami do be an so kasa or kasa and you are bang. I serve on a ponder committee for 8 years. Sinatia. And same one can JDM any Professor Mills. At the appointment committee, when end is for the cook the bond get the body say. What did he say? What did he say? Matami do. After street proof, Niama Wukika Omunyano. Can you prove what you are saying? Now he's calling back. And then, more communication officer, a young man, lawyer. What description didn't he give to Tajale? Matamidu. In a way, Madame would be a yastic. No, who can't say yes? We'll see. Madame Akufo-Addo say.
Well, you two officers in what they have said.
Please.
It doesn't make the fight against corruption.
Please.
Something.
Senior. Didn't you hear him?
No.
Okay, you finish.
Mante.
See,
Matiami, me vetting me. I was part of the vetting committee.
I watched you.
And some of the canina and this when you put him to straight proof, you run away. Or no, would you ask him? And yet you appointed him. Oh, please, we appointed because we don't want to be partisan. Oh, because Nanado believe that he's somebody who can deliver. Oh, yes.
Anyway, I'll come to
because
that. Finish it.
Yeah, what is a party focus or is added in the appointment? No, and Mama Jamidu. But the president did not look at it. Or who the substance in Matiamidu because he's a citizen vigilante, so to speak. So he can fight on corruption. You're not going to guy. Place a yedi command you touch all the thing. You man of course your pa, you're quite from pa. Now you were given the job to do. What did he do? Zilt. And Jehodi Nanado, the president, is not a clearinghouse. Send the NDC if we're coming. They thought to be about Galamsey. Begitum. I have stood in this studio in the heat of Galamsey in Semenamanka. So I will not support anybody who does Galamsey, even if it's a party member. Because a Banasa, the backstop is the president, will be a two at the bottom. But it is Akufo-Addo's time and a Galamsey semi at Teneji at the say Ebu Komoyina. And it's his duty to fight that Kanka called Galamsey. Ebu Brazil do so then Collins Dada, our senior, was then the lands ministry. What did you do? And they buy news of Hussein. What did you do? They raised their hand in despair. They couldn't fight it. But Akufo-Addo said, "Me Ghanaian free go." The father said, "Galamsey they kosono. You be couldn't eat here."
Right.
So, yeah, there was a film from Matieno. So no swakasa. Last week, it was the last week. Police were not invited. All evidence come and give it to us. The president said, "Go and investigate the matter that he's talking about." Some crofona mucho more jubilee house. Police investigate them. Where's the number? Because touch the thing, clearing house. Oh, that's not true. And it's a excavators 500 year said Nukrea or Kokwa, a bit dead. I will police for them. Be Benokondano did the tour.
All right.
But senior Kabi Bion Galamsey, say President Esop to Galamsey. I remember, I think earlier this year, there was a program with the Catholic Bishops Conference in Wokofredia. And Akanashigbe was the chairman for that program. And the Bishop President said, Galamsey fight, saying any akusi. And no mention specifically about Akunta mining. Asema President, Muntie the you. Muntie the ye. A banner is a number of Sisani Pano, Massana, no, Eddie Ebi Fufro. President say, at the time, Nana, can I be beside the question? Akunta money and ye Juma, ewo forest reserve. Muntie or say, at the time of Gina podium no so all money speech. Any question can actually ebisa president say Akunta money Galamsey of forest reserves no akosi say and no catch say as at that time because the soldiers the police have taken over all those forest reserves. They have driven people out.
So as of that time
Akunta like mining is not mining in any forest. Meanwhile investigations are ongoing. Not for this for not done.
Okay.
Hey, Akufo-Addo support Akunta mining. Akufo-Addo support Akunta mining. For me, I would not support because we cut takwa chimpem in so be a tap now in so ne frimbano. Ayatuntum. Wo no ma any NDC any MPP. And so be a Galamsey in the name of Woody Pennsylvania go. Now who say forest, who say you quiet, who say yensu, me ni kwate, I will not support it. And I will help the president to make sure say obi biara or ya Galamsey or this say quiet no. Ya ka jen go titiano. I was a national organizer aspirant. I told over this country. There was a major concern all over the place. And to me, they mean faso. And to me, the president for the why no. Me manimo on running free Galamsey. No say we are DC. Now we pesa so na see Galamsey na utiwa. Onu wo bika. Last 2 weeks, me need me. I will touch on the UTV. Now, Asantini KBB about responsible mining. So bakaya last 2 weeks. It was a topic for UTV discussion. Edu ya me so a also we do anyankwanta. We trap bridge no. Excavator esi nsuo no etutu e Galamsey in the full glare of the police, in the full glare of the public. And because ya me asem kan mu yedu. In in this dispensation, you're making sure say Galamsey, yeah, money consider. I disagree with what I say. You are lying. Eventually, after the program, I call into that direction. It falls within Bekwai district. See now, you know what happened? Jensa, LA pipeline from the western region, from where gas pipeline, from Fashanti region. So there's an excavator in that riverbed.
Yes, Juman.
To lay pipes.
But the other aspect is that
as professionals they are. But
no, but
don't come and lie. Senior.
You see, Yami say, oh, senior, immediately here once. Masa, Yami na me back away. As someone I make a seat for him. Are you saying say Canada Japan? Wow, Canada Japan. Mutanano Sukobano. He has become a liar. So can't my emfa. Because he mentioned this. Say, this is what is happening.
The Jubilee House.
Yes, just so $30,000.
$20,000.
$20,000, $30,000. I didn't say it, you didn't say it, you didn't. Into Canada, Japan, or Kasma Miamfa, didn't throw. MPP penny for next or M financial. Number two, Masa. Time one na go forward to address this Catholic conference no. Na kunta mining issue na ba more than 2 months. Ami accuse no. Ama man for ye. Until as at that time no. Na kunta mining no was so dendende. Ama minerals commissioner issue.
Krata.
Ebia one check it because some of us, some ya Mines and Energy, you know, I've been the chairman. Na yam yani say, some laws were passing here as seizure of a union. Me ukogam in such as here. I was the chairman for Mines and Energy. The Minerals Amendment Bill, all those things passed under me as a chairman. And you know, certain way can see. And then you MPP from penny for Nkasa a bit wafu. Because I did the Jawa
any
muna so any trade and nam. And the wafu, I was so kika. All what we are saying is say, me say president, say be bar woman in here. You know all these things, and yet you appointed Martin Amidu. Tiensema Martin Amidu can Martin Amidu say, I didn't know this a mother serpent. It is because of a Japa deal. And a coffee and some would report to call ye, and no him was there being yet. I call for Rollins who may his soul rest in peace. Microphone Tiasia, I didn't know I'm from president. Can you for that I'm church? I say, what's in the bidder? Me in Congo Freck and for that so my church has here. And I hope on the president, I'm fine. No, say, hey, Pamano Chano, Faun Quine, Namin Family Fufu, men Pejumano, me quack time in Manguasi. He is in no constituency. Matamidu, Ubacon what in the Manguasi, Madina Zongo, Libya, only problem. And I Jabin Ba, and you cry, Jabin, Oba, Cranaman for accused MPP, Nin, Makotam, and then lawyer way. I Jabin, or no crowd, Diakano, and even worse. One this club on an go forward to say we're serpent. We're primary, but was say Nana has no commitment to fight to fight corruption. Sani hono, ni salaries, ni then there's nothing out to me the year Juma. MMP before they start attacking, go back to the papers and see.
But as of the time, because he had not been paid. He
has not been paid for several months. Several months. So how can you say Obi and Niamana enkoya me fight you me fasting. Enkoya ne enkoyi. Aniama no enya na enye. But say ya ye nyina ye beka. Oh, mtimpacho.
All right. So, Gambra, back to your conversation, Madam Wasa, on this matter of illegal mining and corruption in Ghana. For we all know, we all feel it. Let's be true to ourselves. And then the boy Parliament unanimously they've rejected the Electoral Commission for one CI. To make the Ghana card that's so but that's the conversation we're having. Okay. To come on to say Alaji Amadou Bukari Sorogo Ewan Sausna Daniel Nika Titus Global so Ewan say it's a happy birthday to Nemame Lady Reverend Christiana Efriuba Emmanuel Akins one of the so mom. Happy birthday, Lady Reverend Christiana Efriuba Emmanuel Akins, and also wish you all the best because you've been a good mother, a good friend, and whatever. So, mommy, happy birthday. And him said, we'll break it well. Immediately, and then I was a bumpire extra. But me for we soon twem say Adom TV yene think media experts yakabum ye the passion night bro for this time round now that journey na they cross you see didn't come about the betrayal. So who's going to betray who? Say Dr. Like na obe betray Van Vika and I said the other way around and Ghana Jesus and obe betray Salinko and it's going to be very excited with National Theatre Kwesiada on the 16th of April 2023. A night you just can't leave yourself out. It's going to be a good night. Music, drama, and comedy. Pat Thomas episode, Joyce Blessing, and a heavenly jewel.
And then I'm no Ramadan time. I'm when him say that time near Cobom Pie. Just a more income of 4 films here. They empenum at ye. They encounter. My daddy, I don't know when that time. They don't you know penum continue at least while we pressure. And I'm a boy here. I won't have got Ramadan time. That time I'm with that time. Free a minute and then.
My goodness.
My daddy.
Yeah, next time.
Next time.
So the kaya ona yeah nika cry ticket be qualify so to a free health screening 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. show only starting 5 p.m. Standard tickets 50 Ghana cedi, VIP 80 Ghana cedi, pretty much about airport shell. Joy FM and as I would dial it *713 *33 *21 hash. Yeah, the Antiama sardine in tomato sauce. And then I say Dams Premium Travel and Tours and Obasi. And a Jet Medical Services is your domasi. So, person kind of me so now be sponsor Jimmy Dia 055 1111 998 that on CP Jimmy Dia Think Media and Adom TV Akabum Edebro. We're back. Parliament has unanimously rejected the Electoral Commission's constitutional instrument, making the Ghana card a sole registration document. In Komowe, but our titles just then because the MPP seems not to be bothered about whether guarantor or no guarantor. They thought the Electoral Commission should be given the space. But Uti Unyanma now heard here because what has changed?
Well, certainly not. So MPP seems not to be bothered. We are bothered because it's about electoral processes. Elections are year 2024. No, it's a very crucial elections. Now, we should say and this vocal said be a corner. Say the NDC say Electoral Commission is in bed with the MPP to rig the election. Yadibama MPP before, and we should be concerned and bothered. Say Bibia Yadiboko Mrashebejum Efa constitutional instrument because every election be there was a passing bra Yadibako Trabano in that elections that they did. So clearly, the EC had a challenge. A more challenge, is about the weak guarantor system number one because of there was a time, my brother, the 2020 elections, Opam will be easy for challenging war. Because me asked my 1/D72, site 10, committee 1. On free on TF.
But I know a ball.
No, a ball, just like that. Almost free, chichi, and it's a one agent are stronger. Obetumi da challenge. Yeah, obefam amanako. Am use mafo edin bebre. And the is a sad guarantee system. But any idea no e was sad yen ewum. Onu gitum say because we are Ghana ni na wo kope NIA card no. Guarantee system na is stronger ninti. Opeso use omu dia no na yemfa access for the voters identity card. Now we should see I had 2 election 2020 now and my other forms of identification, driving licenses, passports, any Ghana card. What I say, and the idea now, the end is for no can to some extent. At least it makes some sense. What is But in a way to kill, sir, guarantee system na woman. And so there be, mammy for weno, nam for go see you, then to be embua. Now we call you same bibiri. We are. But you see, they understand here both sides. Ejutumu in the conclave with the speaker leadership. Ejutumu say, "Adia yedia bano, enya adia bedeng, ebetumi diabwa." I have been in the know say, "Sebeya krana yenye ni concurrently." What does it? Garanda system no wo ho na ye Ghana card no so wo ho said dia ye betuma aye ni time no ye afedu e di free ho me no ka say at the time na ye sa debate no e wo ma chebodwo mo no na NI is also egu pie mo ho omo ka say no mo didika bi omo supplies omo card na de nya sika mo di omo sika so and the finance ministry emma won sika no they be able to print most of these cards me no ka say omo be two e just say omo print most of the cards nya e di amaye na kire say NI for enye sika dodo na omo pe no a in no time Ghana for no den e betumi ayi atro modin me kai say NDC for eba pa 2009 na Professor Tifwa and the year NI boss what happened they kicked him out commitment about them shim na omo fanko ye NI kind of you couldn't do it you rather prefer to go and budget for judgment debts it is kapudo pa e di akoshe bibi anipa ne na sise skano na di akoma no so clearly it affected and omo ba he no awon keka no any sika di be shem ne NI kind they did less than I can't even know the figure I know 1 million po and ye free ho but another ye buy MPP you look at the commitment and resources e di akoshe the total population at the time now all appear before Parliament they've done almost about 30 to 40 million NHI cards the coming is about 3 million and them new can say yini edi free ho but the access and why on befaso besabe come so a problem and the baby on correction go for they should go to the ground make announcement now man for NPP no major cars and yes cars and owners cannot get access to their cards and they clearly know understanding about me the
okay
and to assure the NDC for say 2024 no say dia chamati okay enye ade JDM it's not going to happen
that's chamati JDM 2025
see it's not going to happen
don't 2024 no
the fact that the economic challenge is not a panacea say you are winning election it is not
the fact that chairman
2024
the fact that chairman of the critical
2024
is also a measurement
wakasa Mami,
no, I draw attention.
Who draw attention? Yet you are not making Gaza.
Okay.
And then what about this?
No, Kasa. No.
So what can we do? Who draw attention? Could see your car.
Me say the fact that what you must do, what
having been given the chance. Me trying. Take note of what you are saying. Near my cost.
Yeah. Omampene Kufado on die. Oguse 2-1 among. Oguse oye the fata. And Chad, he has a mandate. He has a mandate to rule this country. And the kwan bia also faswa obeboa ye nyina ye boa no onu chamote o kan bi na no kasa ko bedwum no o ka ye tie and so bi o ye bi emfata we listen and we walk towards the top what does here and then understand your base ye nyu fa nye djuma and you should go back and now resubmit it with the guarantee system the woman no or making sure the media the mechanism on side by side what does here now with time, we have fading out Uganda system.
Right, Chairman.
Oh, we need share. Yeah, now I'm person me boom too much. And next time, mom family in my wife because special must catch him say they are pointing on.
Yeah.
At least he owns his duty to defend Nana Akufo-Addo for doing all what he has done. Why one of his trusted friends. And to nominate shares, and I'm person me boom too much against you. But me so it's my duty say as a party member, as a Ghanaian, a simi boso say me boa na ye be kwani mu no. Or say me minia democracy chasing election. What is it about? It's about democracy. That's the pivot of democracy. Democracy a day ruled by the majority. The whole world be Obekobiano. The Electoral Commission's main business is to make sure that we facilitate now as many as the citizens, as many as the citizens, register vote. That is the work of the Electoral Commission. Facilitate it, help them, make sure so that majority of the citizens will vote and decide whom. That is democracy. Is that what we are seeing in Ghana? Somebody will say yes, I will say no. Masa, simple and straightforward. A day and a Ghana card. A day and a from the word go no Ghana card. Nema amene ne papa. A passport, a birth certificate, a driver's license, and a kabako obodin. Sanyama way and a Ghana card. Ne oni mame and ne papa. And a Ghana card, the same electoral system. Don't forget to say Nansia and you change the entire voter ID card no. Nche. Inti edasuye correct. So obekaya. The reason why the men say demanding more money is also per se. That is the end. They will no longer change any voters register because taking all your features when name was soon be anti ujina mani. That is not what happened. BVD sir, you call yanka also you verify and sana. No account to say nipa 20 the better aba. I don't know then who share some machine no bet was nipa 20. And the stock of ballot papers a good box no na ye 40 ya. Na say BBS anya ejuma. I don't know then ye nyina anim. Pam no twa no ni nyina ne say macho. Jane Mensa right from the word go. Ghana card ye nyina anim problem eba. Me ECOWAS card. To be frank, the actual name of that card is not even Ghana card.
It's ECOWAS.
ECOWAS card. Mimi Diasha, Mimi Yatro, ECOWAS card. Then Ghana, 16 ECOWAS countries will be out. Not Ghana, be sure. Well, okay. And then why the rush? Why for the whole Ghanaians will be a casa? Birth certificate, Edibayano, and Useko. Passport, Canada, Japan's one TSC. Say, when Nimian say, woman was so called you, Casa passport. I don't identify you, Kwabana, Uko American, Uko Bebia, Uko visa, or passport, the betches or a Ghanaian. Yes, my young for passport to yet, so a Ghanaian. Nadia Bemne Fankoye. Ghana card. Ghana card. Send your man for Zubetimako, Roma Magic Ghana card, be. So what is it? Okay, Pamano Chano, so Bekaya. And I, one budget on the by now $1.1 billion. And a Canada Japan say, yeah, man, $50 million. No, for India, for Maba. Okay, Massa, 1.1 billion. I could see saying, and then, or when is a car, or betting Ayo Majuma. Ye miss us our question, you know. Alan Chamantin and Sia, what dressing gathering? What she say, baby, I could do. I pay ya ding, say, MPP, Wagazo no Alano, a benya message. I won't bet me a catch the Ghanaians, sir. Ghanaians beji atum because nyaman koyiye obi anjim tum nyaman koyiye ntia for kwanya ye de beye aman krofo kra pikin won say nkoyiye a uka obi ko economic management team no a what a fantastic team na Dr. Baumia da no a obobo ya osre onso osiri bi ke no asre no obobo din no obi say can any of you remember the members of the NDC economic management team or Mr. Dabida Masa, and no can be Alan Chamantin no can be. But me no your head and a corona pansine. How did we get there? And there I could see. But until with all this, you know, Parliament is supposed. No matter now, I say, oh, when you're because Jane Mensa and so take us. Me, when he was the head of Nikunu, Mr. Mensa, Center for Mensa one.
Oh, Institute of Economic Affairs.
Thank you.
IEA.
Thank you. Now me a chairman for Mines and Energy. But now me a chairman for trade industry. To be built baby invite me. On I was go by boying. The same thing Mines and Energy. No couldn't me for phone frame Mr. Mensa. No Marco. She was that strict. And when I appointed Mensa Penage Mensa as a sign. Obia card was a Ghana card and Obia entire Ghana card. Everybody, you never see build a robust electoral poll. But Mobia Nyabi, your intention should not be to disenfranchise. O percent depending be brave mom twaba. Amra percentages in the were you not surprised? So even in Ashanti region, percentage was about 59. Easy region about 59. Baby Aka 18. Other regions. So how do you expect to say a whole country like Ghana, Yakoko Twaba, in Crawford broke soldier more? He was talking about 3.5 million. That is a big chunk. If the electoral register and Crawford Kotuaba, 16 million and now 17, 3.5 expressed in percentage terms. Masa, and why do you want to intentionally say, media minimum say, Crawford 3.4?
So, Ujiri, so one attempt did intentional?
No, that one that was intentional, well planned.
To cut off?
Yeah, to cut off a lot of people, especially for voter region. Look at the number of people.
I don't know jump voter region.
That me how me be to aso. Me jump on me start here. Voter region, Upper West, Upper East, Savannah, Northern, Kokoshe, even some places Western region and a Western North. Percentage is no down 33%, 37%.
No baby.
And no baby. Tobo. And then Crawford brave my print almost so thousands and thousands go. The law says it say only never print here. I also printed the manual. And this one to me and print and farm mana. Kwabna I was setting anything what you want telephone that you movie bia. So who and I also channel baby or share not in the card in the manual. That is the law. That is the law.
So the rejection, oh, you're okay.
100%. And then it is not only the rejection of that. I don't they unanimous. And registration in district. Masa, obeko baby, obeba travel 40 miles. Kromo yedin, wonyeske obedidi. No one car a bit the boat. No messing in court district where uncle baby na. No, what kind of a work is that? And also ye year for you. Say it must be electoral places, baby, or to abano.
It makes it very easy and accessible.
To make it accessible, ukwa winning baby or to aba. Ukwa in the district, the Korean baby in or to number. And why are you making it difficult for the majority of Ghanaians to vote? It's not about MPP and DC. I am talking about the Mensa Electoral Commission. And
quick reminders. Kumawu, there's a by-election. Very much unfortunate. Kodia, Miaminia.
Sunday.
There be. Oh no. Say oh my anymore. Kumawu my very much unfortunate. Alaji Minya no. Oh, sir. And then Jayu. When I'm dinechi in.
Oh.
Yeah.
Na my hospital no. I know Rebecca wants to say.
Obama come on. Senior can be in terms of decentralizing the registration. Because who constituency be to say wale.
Yeah.
Omo electoral area be a passing pe vice president Mami Kuro. Wo fi wale na wo ko wungu on the way to Yagaba Kobore. Mani say ya, and you go all the way to passing pe. And he said, "You'll be free passing back about
Wale. How? Okay, so
you need to bring it right at the door.
Okay, so I'm happy that this at least the two parties they've seen.
I know what you can say anchor side by side. That is how it is. You can still use the Ghana card. They are not saying
okay.
And identify and a Ghana card in almost use guarantee system. Also, robust.
Apply
the same system.
Okay. So, watch this space. Hey, I can't think further. Sister P, also Cape Coast Hotel. Thank you for watching Cape Coast Hotel for and this one says happy birthday to Mrs. Diana Dakoa Boatin, head of protocol at the Ministry of Youth and Sports. Also, happy birthday, Shunko and Koma. Until President Kuma, what is Yesu ye charge. Me who say send me brief if you home baba me say will be an kana come to the end because dear in times like this whatever you do you cannot bring back life.
Yeah.
It's so painful.
Yeah.
Whatever you do you cannot bring back life. It's ebusuya ya kokese pa ba very much fortune bo akodua ono hima ene ebusuya for ene kro adehye na MPP for titu adwobrao na monhwe na yenkata na chikama na monhwe obi a ofri yemu na obesa abegina kumawu na emu ewo mbrahye bi. It's important say
MPP and this who the obi a
ofri yemu
obetimi aboa
abegina oye
na ne keka ba no so no mepa omucho so omma no MPP executive should enter kumawu na dia no omunya motre for whether we like it or not.
Yes, of course.
And I'm happy birthday to Mago, me and Mrs. Mago. Me and my father, me titi no problem.